Hello everyone, welcome to a new unclogging video on Hellhole channel. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Today we are going to unclog a sewer line which is very near to a public park, and
ਸਾਡੀ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ
whenever
ਤੋਂ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ
there
ਵੀਡੀਓ
is a
ਬਣਾਉਣੀ ਪੈਣੀ।
consumption of water it starts overflowing. I will show you the condition of this manhole. This is the manhole. You can see it is filled with sewage and it's blocked. You can watch that the surface and the road is not dry, it's wet. This whole street is connected to this manhole. Whenever it's peak hours or consumption of water, it starts overflowing and the sewage is go through to the park. The manhole cover of this manhole is removed and you can watch that this manhole is full with sewage and it's blocked. We will try to unblock this manhole by using a steel wire. I don't think it will take too much time and it's going to be unclogged, and the sewer line is got unclogged and it's now functional. You can see the water level in the manhole is now down. You can see that the reason of blockage due to these stones, the sewer line was blocked and the manhole is
ਉਹ ਰੁਕ ਜਾ।
totally got empty from sewage, and the now sewage is coming from the last manhole, but it's not the proper functional due to stones inside the manhole. Now we will remove these stones from the manhole. That is why staff is removing the cover. This cover is larger than the regular size. Staff is trying to remove the blockage which is in front of the pipe so the sewage can flow properly, and after that we can remove the stones from manhole. Now we are going to remove the stones and going to
ਹੁਣ
do
ਇਹ
the
ਛੱਡ ਦੋ।
desilting of this manhole so it won't get blocked again. Here we go. The big stone has been removed from the manhole. There are too many stones inside the manhole which will be removed by step by step. The road is under construction, that is why the stones fell inside the manhole. Maybe during the dismantling of road, the cover may have been removed from the top of manhole. That is why the stones could get inside the manhole. The desilting of sewer line is in progress with the tool which is similar to rack or rake. I don't know what is pronunciation of that tool.
ਇਹਦੇ ਸਿਰ 'ਚ ਮਾਰ ਬਾਂਸ ਓਏ।
As the desilting is in progress, the flow of sewage is now better and it's working smoothly now.
ਆਇਆ ਮਾਰ ਕੁੰਡੀਆਂ ਪਾਣੀ ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਜਾਵੇ
ਲਾਲਾ ਹਟੇਗਾ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਤਾਂ ਸਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ। ਉਹ ਚਾਚਾ ਗੋਤਾ ਹੀ ਲੱਗ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪਾਣੀ ਨਾ ਲਾ।
The stones get stacked and fixed in the manhole. He is moving the stones so that could be easily removed.
ਲਾ ਦਵਾ
ਲੱਗਦਾ ਤੇ
ਉਹ ਢੱਕਣ ਚੁੱਕ ਕੇ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਕਿੰਨਾ
ਨਹੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਥੱਲੇ ਸਾਰ ਕਰੋ।
ਲਾਈਨਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਡਾਊਨ ਰਹਿੰਦੀਆਂ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ ਤੇ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀਆਂ।
You can see the sewer line is functional now. Till now, no rubbish has been found from the manhole. The blockage was due to only stones.
ਠੀਕ ਰਾ ਅੱਗੇ
Now they are trying again to clear the pipe to make the flow of sewage better.
ਹਾਂ
ਚੱਲ ਸਾਫ਼ ਕਰ ਇਹਨੂੰ।
ਇਧਰਲੇ ਮੂੰਹ ਜਿਹਾ
A question is asked repeatedly that the safety gadgets are missing and the workers are not using the safety gadgets. So for now that is all we have, but we will get the safety gadgets very soon. Now staff is checking the previous manhole's pipe if there is any blockage.
ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਲੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਤੇ ਲਗਾਓ ਆਪਣੀ ਕੰਪਲੇਨ ਭਾਈ ਮੱਛਰ ਤੇ ਕਿਹਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਪਾਊਡਰ
ਕੀ ਆ
ਮੱਛਰ ਵਾਲਾ ਤੇ ਕਿਹਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਹੁਣ
It is difficult to
ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਹੋਊ?
remove this sill because this is
ਮੱਛਰ ਇਸ
not
ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਖਤਮ
the
ਹੁੰਦਾ।
regular waste
ਮੱਛਰ
and these are
ਖਤਮ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵਾ
stones
ਮੱਛਰ
and they are
ਪੈਦਾ
stacked
ਹੋਣ ਤੋਂ
inside the
ਰੋਕਣ ਨਾਲ।
manhole, so it's taking a lot of
ਉਹ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ
effort
ਖਤਮ
to
ਕਰੋ
remove
ਜਿੱਥੋਂ
it
ਮੱਛਰ
from the
ਪੈਦਾ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ।
manhole.
ਥੋੜਾ ਹੀ ਬੜਾ ਵਾ ਫਿਰ
And the size of
ਜਿਹੜਾ
the
ਕੋ ਪਾਣੀ
manhole
ਇਕੱਠਾ ਆਪਣੀ
from
ਉਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ
top,
ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
it's also
ਉੱਥੇ
wider
ਮੱਛਰ
than the regular
ਪੈਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ
size,
ਹੈਗਾ।
ਲੱਥ ਗਏ ਸਰ ਕਿ
so
ਨਹੀਂ
it is also difficult for the worker to stand to remove the waste from the manhole.
ਉਹਨੇ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ
Now the waste has been removed from the manhole and the sewer line got functional. Let's see the condition of previous manhole. Sewage is also gone back. You can see that. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.